it's pretty long. Oh my gosh! We need to cross that street, and I saw this button and I immediately thought that it was for the lights to change. So I pressed it, and it's actually for blind people. Now we just need to pretend that we're blind. This is the day that we get a haircut. I totally forgot who I had the appointment with. So they asked me, oh, who do you have the appointment with? And I was like, E something, which is like the most common family name in Korea. And it was not even E, it was Kim. She was getting a haircut. And this is the final product. Don't I look like her now? Just kidding. How do I look? You look kind of... I got no words to describe how you look like. But I'm officially back to black. We're on our way to go to our uncle's house because Harmony came all the way here. All those clouds are going to the sun, apparently. 이거는 우리 할머니 스타일. This is what she ordered specifically. One coat. 이제 할머니 스타일.
나도 할머니